Hey you guys, and welcome back to DAT Family 5. Today we will be putting up our pool. As you see, we've been doing a lot of outside things, trying to make sure the girls have fun this summer, even though we're not able to go to a lot of the things that we normally do. So we're trying our best to make sure that our backyard is a fun oasis for them. And so today we are putting this pool up, and you're going to see us do it 2 times. In actuality, we have done it 3 times. So enjoy the music, enjoy the fun. And if you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel where we do home cleaning and we do lifestyle and vlog and hauls and all that above. So welcome to the family. I hope you enjoy. Thank you so much.
Tell so deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So
this is pretty much an easy thing to do. It was about 14 posts to put in, and with the posts they had the things to go around in the corner pieces. And it was so easy to actually put it up. The hard part was actually getting a filter that was well enough for the water that we put in. So that's what we've been going through right now. So let me introduce ourselves. My name is Atoya. My husband's name is Douglas, and we have 3 beautiful girls. We are a family that loves life and having fun, and we love to give you the motivation that you need to get what you need done. We do cleaning motivation, we do lifestyle, we do vlogging, anything that a family does, we just do. We just like to show our life and show how to maintain if you can, and just show good times and bad times. So we appreciate y'all. Thank you. Alright, so this is the pump that actually comes with the pool, which is way too small for the pool. And when I mean way too small, I mean way too small for the pool. So my husband was like, well, we need to get a bigger pump or whatnot. And I was like, okay, not a problem. Cool. So we got a bigger pump. And so right now I'm putting this one in just to make sure that we can see the difference between the filters and the kids can get in. As you can see, Ezekia and my goddaughter Jada is enjoying the water in the pool. They didn't even let it get up. All right, so take 2. Here we go. So it was unleveled. One side was at least maybe 3 to 4 inches lower than the other side, and so we went and got the sand and we were trying to level it out, and we got it pretty leveled with the pavers that we got from Home Depot. They're about $1.45 a piece, I think. So we got the pavers, and as you can see, we moved the pool off to the side. So right now we're just putting the sand down, and me and Douglas we always have different ways of doing things, and so yeah, it was a process for us. So I'm just gonna let y'all listen to the music for a little bit longer. Yeah, and if you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like click the thumbs up above and put a comment down below on what you're doing for fun this summer.
This is what I want now. No, I won't settle for anything else. I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. Oh no, no. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me. It's never ending. You can give anything, so you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah, so you can go, go, go. Go, go, go.
So right here I'm setting up the sand pump. I'm so sorry. Setting up the sand pump, and as you see there's a package of 40-pound sand right there that goes into it, and right next to me, my left leg, is the actual pump, and the sand goes into that blue container to filter out all the stuff in the pool. So right here I'm just sitting up and getting it all set up. So I hope you enjoy. Continue listening to the music. We got it from Amazon for 280 bucks.
Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love it one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense.
So as you can see, from time to time I'm going to my phone to find some video to see about trying to put this thing together. Normally I don't need to do that, but it was a little difficult, and it was hot. You know, when you're hot, your brain don't function too well. As you see, all the puppies are around me. Ezekia was sitting right next to me. It is what it is, but it is what it is. Enjoy the music still.
Somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it before we get too far away. I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it. Oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
I could really use a change of scenery. Yeah. Everybody smoking all the greenery. Yeah. Close the match 'cause they were handed down to me. But I'm still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go. It could all be worse, I could be a hater like you. chest now. Say it with your chest now. I'm young, I'm free. Can't nobody take me.
So as y'all can see in the beginning of the last clip, Douglas put the sand inside of the blue container. And so what happens is the water suctions from the tube into the pump, and the pump goes into the filter, which is the blue container with the sand, and filters throughout, and then it pumps back into the pool. So it's a lot of different components and a lot of different seals to it. So I was trying to make sure we had everything that we needed to make sure that the seals sealed. Yeah. So ironically, I'm finishing up this video showing y'all how the sand pump is doing, a filter pump is doing, while Doug and Ezekia are in the pool. Oh my gosh, she is so loud. We done got her some diving sharks and some diving rings from 5 and Below for they were like $3 a piece. And so that's all she's been doing, and Doug's trying to make sure everything's off the bottom. So this is the sand filter pump. And so the water pumps in, suction in from here, comes into the pump here. Water pumps up into here, filters through the sand, blah, 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 come out into the pool. And this is where you see the water coming out. So we had a couple of, this is the third time we done filled this daggone pool up. As you see, we have, thank you. As you see, we have the pavers, and then we have some styrofoam on the corners of the pavers because we had a leak. Ain't that fun? So we had a leak. You can't see it here. You probably can see it on the inside because it's totally a different color. So right here, y'all see this? That's where the leak was. So we went and got some flexible seal and stuff. And yeah, but you see everything is nice and leveled out now. We have the pavers and sand on this side, and on the other side, it's just on the ground. We're gonna get something to put this up on, and this white tube here. So to get the pump working, the filter pump working like it's supposed to, you have to do a backwash full of water coming out of the pool to make sure that the actual sand area container, this blue thing, is full of water so that there's no air pockets in there which can F up the filter and the pump. And he's sexy. And so yeah, so we're gonna work on getting this little area all cleared up, and then the next thing to go up is the gazebo. We getting this little oasis together. I'm so excited. As you see, we got our tikis out. They're not lit right now, but they out and about. And Doug is cooking. Let me show y'all his chicken. Chicken. You couldn't see it. Chicken on his smoker charbroil. All together, and I put an eye in the sky here when we put it together. So we are about to go. Y'all have a good day. See you on the tube. Peace out, y'all.